How to find an ocean monument in Minecraft. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to find an ocean monument in Minecraft. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So doing this is relatively easy. I will give you 3 steps in order to do this. So the first step involves heading over and finding a cartographer villager. So a cartographer villager usually looks like this, so you just need to find them. But if you can find them, you can make them a cartographer by doing some certain methods. And now once you have found them, you can now trade with them or talk with them. So in here, I have here example of a trade. So you just need to trade some things in order to progress this bar until the end. And once you have progressed this bar until the end of the cartographer apprentice, they will give you an ocean monument map. So the ocean monument map looks like this. So the step 3 is actually going to the ocean monument map. So this white dot actually represents your location, and this one is the ocean monument. So what you need to do is to just travel across the map until you get to this ocean monument. You can just click on that, and then from in there you can just see your location again once you can see your map. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find an ocean monument in Minecraft. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!